Hello, friends. Welcome back to SheriTV. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully. We're back today with another GlobeIn unboxing. Today, I am going to be showing you my fourth GlobeIn subscription box, which has quickly become my top favorite unique subscription box. Every month, you get to choose your items that come to you, and there's so much choice. Sometimes it can actually be a little bit overwhelming because they have things for the kitchen, they have things for the bath, they even have some travel related things. Some of my favorite boxes from GlobeIn have been pitchers, big giant gorgeous pitchers that you could use as vases for flowers or sangria pitchers, and it's just so hard to pick. But this month I chose something very, very different. I chose the Patisserie box, and we are going to be opening it together today. I want to tell you before we get into this that we do have a discount code for you. You want to use the code, and I'm reading my notes to make sure I get this right, Cruise Gear, for 50% off the first box in a 3-month subscription using the link below. I am an affiliate for GlobeIn. That means I do get a small commission if you sign up, and you are using my affiliate link below and that code Cruise Gear to get your discount. So we're going to bring everything out of the box. Did something a little different this month because the cupcake tower in this box did require a little bit of assembly. And so I wanted to assemble it in advance and let you know exactly how long it took to assemble. So I'm not really unboxing everything for the first time, but it'll still be a lot of fun. I'm gonna go ahead and bring everything out of the box to show you right now. And then we'll kind of go from the largest item to the smallest item when I start showing them all to you. Okay, bear with me. By the way, this box is so gorgeous, and stay till the end of this video because I have a challenge for you with this box. So the first item in our box today is this beautiful 2-tier cupcake tower. This was the item that required assembly, and I wanted to see how long it would take to put together this little 2-tiered tower. And I'm happy to report that it took me about 45 seconds. Not kidding. So it's separated out into the 2 plates. You screw this part and this part into this bottom thing and you're done. It is so simple. I envision, of course, putting baked goods, cupcakes, donuts, little pastries on this, but my real vision for this item and what I'm going to use it for when I have a party at my house is going to be fresh fruit and chocolates all sprinkled together and organized on this tray. That is my vision. I honestly think it would actually make a beautiful veggie platter as well, but I have just this idea of putting strawberries, blackberries, and really high quality chocolates just kind of bursting all over it to serve. Doesn't that sound gorgeous? So this cupcake tower was made by Dilshad Hussain in India. And when you get your GlobeIn box, you get to read about the artisans in remote communities that GlobeIn is supporting, and it's pretty interesting to read their stories. So thank you very much, Dilshad Hussain, for handcrafting this for us. It's beautiful. The next item, because I'm going from largest to smallest, is so pretty. Guys, Mediterranean vibes on this rolling pin. Is this not the most beautiful thing? The first thing I thought about when I got this is I want to gift this to somebody. Of course, I want to keep it for myself, but I can just imagine pulling up to one of my friends' houses who's been, a wonderful friend to me, and taking a bottle of wine and this beautiful rolling pin and just this gift bag. It is so incredibly unique. Of course, it can be used to roll your pastries. You do want to be careful with it because it is ceramic. Let's see who made this rolling pin. This was made by, did I say rolling pen? I meant rolling pin. It's a rolling pin. This was made by Mariam in Morocco. So pretty, so Mediterranean. Oh, I just absolutely love it. Next item we have today are these gorgeous cotton cupcake liners. I'm going to take them out and show them to you because the designs on these are definitely not what you can buy at the local party store. Look at the different colors and varieties available in these cupcake liners. They're so gorgeous. All of them, just so pretty and so festive, perfect for an adult cupcake party, a kid cupcake party, and all you do to fasten them is just turn them around like this, and then this little guy just goes right into the hole right there. Actually, I think I did it wrong. I think you would do it that way over the cupcake, and you can just envision a cute little cupcake right in there. So cute. Who made the liners? Okay, these were made by Usha Jingad in India. So pretty. I love those. Our last item today is this cute little icing spatula with sprinkles on it. This is so pretty. You could use this for icing your cupcakes, but I envision this as something that would be perfect on a cheese board, perfect for soft cheeses. So maybe when I have this party I'm talking about, maybe we'll do fruit and cheese and chocolates, and I'll put this as my soft cheese knife. It matches the white tower perfectly. So I love it. I hope that you all have enjoyed these 4 items and this very unique box. This is actually my first time getting kind of a cooking themed box from GlobeIn, and I absolutely love it. Don't forget, if you're going to sign up, to use my discount code. All the information that you need is in the description of this video, so don't worry about writing it down. You can click directly on the link and use my discount code. Many of you have already signed up for GlobeIn. Let me know what you think about it. But my challenge for you today, you guys, is to, when you get your first GlobeIn box, I want you to think of a way to reuse this box. And when you do, take a photo of however you're reusing the box and send it to me. Send me a little message over at Cruise Tips TV on Facebook or Cruise Tips TV on Instagram. I'll link to those social channels so you can DM me a picture of your reused box. Thank you for watching, and until next time, go do something beautiful. Bye-bye.